1,100. So, and it's rated A by Moody is and at 80 or T or corporate note that pay of 4.1,025% annual interest. So, and mature on February 17, 2026. This note has a current market value of 1,150 and it's rated by Moody. So, American Electronic Power Common Stock is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and selling for 81 a share with annual divided per share and current yields. So mao to siya ang pamaagi bitaw sa kanang unsaon pag share or unsaon pag total. So i-divide lang siya multiply